Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Just going to go for Binance, my favourite exchange. Done a dedicated video before on Binance and how to get started, how you sort of basically get going with Binance and how you get your first altcoins. I've sort of done it step-by-step guide. I say many times before, if people want any help getting started Binance, just message me. It's fine. I help you any way I can. But I'm just going to go for the other parts of Binance website. Now, as you scroll down the top, it's got many sides to it, as I say. But the bit I like is the finance bit. You've got the Binance Earn, the Binance Pool. You can get your Binance Visa card now, your loans, liquid swap, etc. We're just going to stick with Binance Earn. So when you scroll down, you get on here and you basically got all the different parts of it with your staking and etc. And you've got your fixed terms, your high risk products. Now, as you say, you go through it, you've got your flexible savings, the launch pool, all different bits here, the high risk. So we'll just stick with staking. That's all I'm going to cover today is staking. So you've got your fixed term staking, your high risk products, which is your DeFi staking. So we'll go through each one and see what you say. So when we scroll through here, you can go there, you hit view more. Now you've got here your locked staking, your DeFi staking. So let's cover locked staking first. So again, they're the five first products mentioned: NEAR, BNB, Origin Protocol, Solana, and Matic, which is now Polygon. All great projects, let's be honest. And it scrolls down here, you can see here. So BNB is sold out. Otherwise, you'd sit here and just hit stake now. So I'm not going to actually stake these, I'm going to stake some other ones. So DOT, would you believe actually this morning was still available, but it's now sold out. I was actually going to do it about Polkadot. I've already staked some Polkadot, but that's now sold out anyway. So Cardano, obviously there's many projects we speak about, ALGO, there's loads of them here, LTO, Tezos obviously mentioned, Kusama, Wi-Fi, Icon. Let's do Icon then. So we stake here. So the minimum, on the right here is the minimum you have to stake to join the pool of their staking. So the APY is 10.49%. APY is basically annual percentage yield, and it's basically a normalized representation of an interest rate. And it basically is based on a sort of compounding period of 1 year. APY figures allow a reasonable single point comparison of the different offerings with various sort of compounding schedules. I hope that makes some kind of sense. But so basically gives you what you're yearly going to earn. Anyway, so you stake now. So you hit there. And you can see here, you can go 30, 60 or 90 days. So I'm going to put all my Icon I've got on Binance for staking. So you've got 30 days, 60 or 90. And you can see here on the right hand side the different APY, because obviously doing it over a longer term. And you can see there, so I'll just do 30 days and give me an APY of 10.49%. You have to obviously go through all these different parts with the interest period, etc. But we're in the locked staking. So to sum up what locked staking is, it's basically the process of holding funds in a cryptocurrency wallet. So instead of just holding it on your Binance wallet and hodling, as they say, you're literally just going to earn from it. You can get some free crypto by locking it in for 30, 60, 90 days or whatever and give yourself some free crypto. So if you're not planning to sell any cryptos for the next 30, 60, 90 days, why not? But as I always say, you've got to do your own research, entirely up to you. It's not financial advice. So, and it's basically, there's a lot of stuff on the Binance Academy about the lock staking, and people say, well, what happens when I'm holding lock staking? And obviously it reduces your cryptocurrency amounts in your spot wallet, because obviously you've locked it into staking. So they take it off your spot wallet and it's in a staking wallet. And what's the difference between flexible staking and lock staking? Well, flexible staking, you can obtain interest by holding cryptocurrency which support by flexible staking, no need to lock. You can trade any time. Lock staking, where it's in for like 30, 60, 90 days. And, where can I redeem the lock staking? There's another question I saw on the Binance frequently asked questions. You can redeem any time. Different coins have different redeem period and unchained period from blockchain network. People said, how can you redeem from lock staking early? You open your savings wallet, you lock staking, that's where it's held different from your spot wallet. It's on your savings wallet, and you hit the early redeem button if you want to do that. Now the question was there, when the market drops, can my lock staking still be guaranteed to receive interest? Will I still get this APY? And Binance say, yes, we will guarantee the interest to users. So whatever you sign up here and you agree to this Binance staking service agreement, if you lock in 30 days, whatever APY they say you're going to get, you will get regardless of what Icon does. Thing is, if Icon went up 10, 20 times, but would I then take it out and take profits or transfer another coin, or just hold it for the whole 90 days? It's entirely up to you. But obviously, if you take it early, you're not going to get the full interest. So it's pretty basic. I said I've got the frequently asked questions down below. It pretty much covers everything. Basically, it's locked in there. You can redeem any time. That's the thing with lock staking, but this is a set period. So, for instance, let's do Icon. So I'm going to do let's do 60 days, okay? I'm going to do my max I've got on it, 1769. So I'll go through there. I'm going to get 13.5 per 7. My estimated interest means I'll get 39.48 icon just for doing this for basically 2 months. Easy icon. May not sound a lot to some people. What's icon at the moment? About $2. You know, is that a lot? You know, $80 in 2 months? Better than nothing, isn't it? What else are you going to do? Sit on my... I do hold icon on private wallets, but I do also own a bit on exchange, as you can see. So by getting this, I'm going to get myself some free icon. Basically, you know, 39 icon. Now, if icon went to its previous all-time high, which I've always stated it will do, I'm sure one day, because the previous bull run, it wasn't a massive project. It didn't have much going on as now. I know I spoke about icon many times, with the icon bet, the icon loop, the MyD Alliance, icon in general. I just think it's a wonderful, wonderful project. I really do. Now, if it went to its all-time high, then all of a sudden that, what I've made there, is then worth $390. Bit more than that, actually, but it actually be about $430. So it's easy money just for locking it in and staking. So I've read the BINANCE Staking series. I'm happy with that. So to confirm the purchase, I've done that. And they said subscription success. That's how easy it is with the locked staking. You know, there's some other ones here. You know, I'll quickly do, let's see if ALGO, you know, my Algorand. I've got 1,000 Algorand on this. What will I get? So the APY is very similar to ICX, a bit more to it. 90 days is sold out. There you go. So you can do certain ones. There you go. 60 days is sold out. 30 days is the only one I can actually get on Algorand. So if I hit the max, what will that give me? That will only give me 7.23 Algorand. Now, before with Binance, just by holding your Algorand on Binance, they used to give you a distribution every month. That's now stopped. Obviously, now there was a people when we're doing the staking, but just for 1,000 Algorand, I get 7. Now, again, that's not a lot, is it, in a month? 7. What's Algorand at the moment? It's about $1-ish. It's not a lot. 8.79% is the APY, basically for 30 days. However, if Algorand went to its previous all-time high, it's it's about $30 or whatever. So it's not a huge amount. But otherwise, my Algo, to be honest, I'm probably just going to leave it there. So it's not actually doing anything. So why not? Confirm purchase. There we go. Subscription success. So you can see down here now. Obviously, Algorand is pretty much sold out on the longer term ones. But you can scroll down there. Some like XCM, you can do 30 days. But you go down here, stake now. So it's very, very easy to do the staking. If you're holding coins on Binance, again, do your own research, up to you. But me personally, I might as well get some interest on it, you know, gain something from it. So again, let's quickly do ADA while I'm here. You know, 30, 60 days. I've got 4,138 ADA Cardano on Binance. So what would that give me? That will actually give me over 60 days, another 63 ADA. Now, at the moment, it's pretty low, the price, in my opinion, even though we've had a massive pump the last few months, where it will be eventually. So 63 ADA in a couple of years, that could easily be worth like $300 or something. So again, I'm just going to do it. How much do I get if I did 30 days? That would just give me 20 ADA. So if you did 90 days, well, that's sold out, that product, unfortunately. So I'm just going to do 60. Let's do that. It's service. There we go. So easy as it gets, really. Now, the other part of it, so that's basically your locked staking. Now, you go on the DeFi staking. Now, you can give a risk warning here, and this is what you've got to be careful of. Binance strives to offer its users only the best DeFi mining projects. However, Binance only acts as a platform to showcase projects and provide users related services, such as accessing funds on behalf of the user and distributing earnings, etc. Binance does not assume liability for any losses incurred due to project on-chain contract security issues. Now, again, it's entirely up to you. There's not a huge amount of DeFi sort of staking products, as you can see there. Most of them are sold out. So we've got now is DAI. Again, this is just basic, you know, earning things. You know, with DeFi staking, it's the, as they say, it's a way of providing financial services to users through smart contracts. You know, there's many other frequently asked questions. I saw one about what the advantages of DeFi staking, where it's easy to use. You don't need to manage private keys, acquire resources, make trades, or perform other complicated tasks to participate. It's all very easy. They need to obviously increase what they offer. Another question was, does Binance bear the losses if an on-chain contract is attacked during the DeFi staking? No, Binance only acts as a platform to showcase projects. So me personally, I'm not going to get involved with their DeFi staking, but will with their locked staking. But again, it's up to you though, entirely up to you what you're comfortable with, really. Another question was, after I participate in DeFi staking, how is earnings cycle calculated? Once funds are successfully allocated to locked staking, earnings are calculated beginning of the following day. So again, how long do I need to lock up my funds to participate in DeFi staking? Well, the current lock-up period for regular products is just 1 day. So it's a flexible. as you see there. Okay, so again, it's entirely up to you. You've got all the frequently asked questions down there, so everything's down there. It's very, very easy. So I just want to give a quick video on just Binance staking, how easy it is if you're holding coins on Binance, another option for you. As I say, there's many other sides of it to the Binance Earn, the pool, etc., and the crypto loans. But me personally, I just stick with the locked staking. That's just my personal preference. So, as I say, anyone want to get started with Binance, I put the video below from video number 4 on getting started with Binance, the basics of actually launching your Binance journey. Many other sides of it, staking, as I say, my Telegram link's below. Answer every question I get on Telegram. I do apologise sometimes, like for instance, woke up this morning, I had 30 different messages. Now I can only type as quick as my fat fingers will type, so I'll always answer every question. It's always great to hear from you. I don't normally ask this, but please hit the like or dislike button. It's entirely up to you. And comment below. Subscribe. Helps me grow as a channel. I want to grow it eventually where I can get every week a different project on the channel. We can talk about their project, ask them the questions. That's how I want to develop it. I love it when people tell me about other projects. That's what I really like as well. Always look into them. There's so many out there. It's hard to cover them all or own them all, shall we say. So it's great when people comment below. I love to hear from everyone. So say, anyone want any help? Email me info@cryptostrain.com or contact me on Telegram or my other social media. Help any way I can. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.